Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you, and I have high hopes for this. Maybe not high hopes, but higher than usual, because normally when I get these boxes, they are the ones that you have to break the seal, and then pull up. This box is taped shut. I don't know how well you can see it. And it's a totally different style of box, and it also says variant 2. Usually I get variant 3. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Oh, no way. No way. It is a box. It actually is a box. Oh my god, what? Wait, what? Okay, I don't even care about the coupons right now. Oh my god, I feel like crying. Oh my, do you know how long it has been since we got a box? And I wonder, because, you know, this packaging, it clearly says variant 2. I wonder if a lot of people actually got the box and I was just unlucky and I got the cardboard box. I'm over the moon. I'm super excited about this. So we of course got coupons for this time, you know. But it's okay, it's okay. I'm just excited about this. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is like an old school video. Oh my god, hold on. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. The filling material as well. Oh my god. This is packed to the brim. Am I in the Twilight Zone? Am I in like in the Matrix, in an alternative universe? What is going on? This is the best box already that we've had in a while. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited. So we have the... Okay. Now I probably know why this is the actual box. This is a decade of beauty boxes. Please don't let this be a once-in-a-lifetime thing, because I love those boxes. Please bring them back. This is what the pamphlet would look like if we had one. Glow for longer. The box turns 10. Again, products may vary, so we start with, which is this here. The Chris Appleton and Color Wow Money Mask for super glossing, expensive looking hair. I think this was the preview from last month. I'm not sure. It's sealed. Why are you doing this? Maybe I can smell. Oh, I think I can. But that just smells like hair salon. You know, like fancy hair product. I can always use a hair mask. I only use hair masks like twice a month because you probably know the story. My hair is just very weird. My scalp is dry. My scalp itself is dry, but the roots get oily very quickly. The ends are dry, but the lengths okay. It's a whole mess. So I don't want to put too much product on my hair, which is why I only use masks. Deep conditioning masks twice a month. I use only 15th usually, and then the first of the month. The 15th is coming up, so we'll try that out. This is the travel site, and it's worth, oh my god, it even wrote down the pounds and the euro. So £12.50 or €14.50. A hydrating hair mask in collaboration with celebrity hairstylist Chris Appleton. The deep conditioning mask helps to restore strength and elasticity of your damaged strands with Mediterranean marine proteins, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Super excited to try that one out. Oh, we're already off to a good start here. Then we have, I think, is it this? The Color Hub Buff Blush Glow Up Color Stick in the shade Pinched. That just looks... Woo! There is quite a lot of product in. I mean, okay, you have to warm it up a little. Oh, that might actually look nice. It's not sticky. I have no blush on, so I will actually try it out on my face. So this is the full size, and this is worth £12 or over 13. Enriched with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E, this multi-use blush stick can be applied to cheeks or lips to add a pop of pigment. This super blendable stick format can be applied effortlessly and is paired with hydrating skincare benefits to ensure your skin glows. I don't want to put too much on. Oh my god, do you see that glow? It's more intense in the camera. Like in real life, it's not that bad. I like this. This is nice. Oh my god, they will be going out all the way for the 10-year anniversary. 2 out of 2 that I like and that I will definitely use. Up next we have... Oh, I probably won't like that. Okay, this is not even... This doesn't belong here. This belongs with this. Okay, I was confused. So this is the LookFantastic mirror. I will not open it up. It's just a compact mirror, as you can see here. I don't need one, so I'll probably put it into the public bookshelf. This is of the full size, obviously, and it's worth over £15 or over €17. To celebrate our 10th birthday, we included an exclusive travel mirror to remind you that you look fantastic. Pack this perfect pocket-sized accessory to touch up effortlessly from dawn till dusk. Like I said, I will not use it, but I'm sure someone else can. You know, you can always use a mirror. I will get rid of this. I just cannot deal with this. This is Ciate London. Translucent powder, loose translucent powder. I would like it. Like, I'm still using my by Terry loose powder. No, I'm just not a loose powder fan. So I won't sell that, but it's nice to have. You know, I'm sure that a lot of people might like it. I'm a pressed powder in general girl, and then for blush, you know, like this, a bit of liquid blush, a bit of a stick, whatever. That's fine. But powder, I need a pressed powder. This is travel size, and this is worth £7 or over €8. Developed with vitamin C, licorice extract, and niacinamide, the loose powder is finely milled for lightweight application and ultra blendability. The silky formula sets makeup for long-lasting wear while smoothing and blurring the complexion for a crease-free, soft-focused finish. Translucent is an undetectable shade with an absorbent formula and zero flashback. Okay, it's again a which one will you receive? So you either get the Ico Spotlight Highlighter Pencil in pearl. I think we had that before, not really sure. It's a bit hard to navigate this thing. Or you get what I have, the Aveeno Calm and Restore for sensitive skin Oat Gel Moisturizer. I just bought a moisturizer and I got a moisturizer from Sephora for my birthday. I have another one. I don't mind it though. Like, I'm happy with it. Oh, this is luxurious. Look at that. I'm surprised that there's no lid on, like an actual, like the plastic. You know what I mean? It doesn't smell like anything really. I'm excited to try this one out. Is this, how should I say, is this like specifically for daytime, or can I use this for day and night? I use twice a day, morning and night. Oh, the jaw and the lid are recyclable. I feel like I don't have the lid on fully. I sometimes struggle with putting on lids. This is amazing. This is nice to have. You know, I'm so excited about this box that I feel like next month will be back to normal and you have the weird boxes. But, you know, I'm celebrating this. I'm super excited. So this is the full size and it's worth £11.99 or over €13. This dermatologically tested moisturizer is gentle and lightweight, nourishing the skin with prebiotic oat and antioxidants. The lightweight, fast-absorbing gel cream formula provides intense hydration for normal to dry and sensitive skin that lasts all day. And then you either get the product by Rituals, but you either get the Ritual of Karma foaming shower gel or not the body lotion. I literally just started using the other Rituals body lotion that we had months ago. We have another one, Ritual of Karma, a 48-hour hydrating body cream. You know, these smell super good. Yeah, really hydrating. They absorb rather fast. I love them, love them. So you get, no matter what box you get, you will get a Rituals product. This is worth over £7 or over €8. Lock in your post-shower moisture with this rich buttery body cream with an added touch of a long-lasting fragrance. Enjoy silky soft skin for up to 48 hours with this rich and hydrating body cream infused with lotus flower, white tea, and a powerful Hydro Boost complex. Then I have one more thing in the box, which is not in the list yet, so this is, I guess, a freebie. Enhance your hydration by Liquid IV. You're supposed to put this into water. It has a passion fruit taste, a food supplement with sugar and sweetener, and you have hydration for exercise, heat and sun, travel, and wellness. Scientifically formulated to help restore electrolyte balance lost through heat, exercise, travel, and adventure. It has a vitamin B3, B5, B6, B12, C, sodium, and potassium. I would definitely try that one out. Okay. Keep it on there so I don't lose it. That was everything that was in the box. Please, LookFantastic, please bring these back. I mean, you clearly have them in stock. Bring them back, please. I'm also excited about everything that's in the box. Apart from the powder, which I don't use, and the mirror that I don't use, but the rest. Then we have the Money Mane with Color Wow. Interview with senior educator Lauren Horn. There you go. The Pinch Me movement with this here, you know, that gives you just like a nice tint, you know, not too intense, just like you've been pinched, basically. Then Breakfast Oats what oats do and how it is used and whatnot. When in Rome, beauty on trial. So this beauty writer Ella went to Rome and took the products with her on vacation just to test them out. And then what's coming in September? Sneak peek: Benefit Fan Fast Mascara. I can't believe it is actually a box. It is a box. Holy shit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried anything. I never heard of this. Oh, this is vegan apparently. Never heard of this brand before. And strangely, if like it doesn't say the name, Glow Hub. It doesn't say the name on the packaging, so that's gonna be very frustrating. But I like the way that looks. Very subtle. It is there, but it's kind of there, but kind of not. You know what I mean? I'm excited with all of this. I've been complaining about this for what? Over a year, and now we got the box. So excited. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and it's the next one.